Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of knitting, perfect for beginners. The goal? To get you started and excited about creating beautiful things with just yarn and needles. The saying, start small, dream big, really rings true here. First things first, what do you need? You'll want yarn, of course. Choose a smooth, light-colored yarn to begin with. It's easier to see your stitches. Next, knitting needles. Look for a size recommended on your yarn's label. A pair of US size 7 or 8 needles is a good starting point. You'll also need a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle for weaving in those yarn ends. That's it. Simple, right? Let's talk about the basics. There are two main stitches. You need to know the knit stitch and the purl stitch. The knit stitch is the foundation. It creates a V shape on your fabric. Here's how you do it. Hold a needle with stitches in your left hand and the empty needle in your right hand. Insert the right needle into the first stitch on the left needle, from left to right. Like you're trying to scoop it up. Wrap the yarn around the right needle. Now, pull the yarn through the stitch on the left needle. Slip the old stitch off the left needle. You now have a new stitch on your right needle. Repeat this until you reach the end of the row. The purl stitch is like the knit stitch in reverse. It creates a bumpier texture. Hold your needles as before. Insert the right needle into the first stitch on the left needle. From right to left, through the back of the stitch. Wrap the yarn around the right needle. Pull the yarn through the stitch on the left needle. Slip the old stitch off the left needle. You've purled a stitch. Practice these 2 stitches, and you'll be knitting in no time. Now, how do you cast on? Casting on creates the first row of stitches on your needle. There are many methods, but the long tail cast on is a popular choice for beginners. Create a slip knot, put it on your left hand needle. Leave a long tail of yarn, estimate about 3 times the width of your project. Hold the yarn with the tail in your left hand, and the ball in your right hand. Make a loop with your thumb and index finger. Insert your needle into the loop. Wrap the yarn around the needle, and pull the loop through. Then slip the new stitch onto the needle. Tighten it gently. Continue this until you have the desired number of stitches. What about casting off? Casting off binds off, or closes, your stitches. Knit 2 stitches. Using the left needle, lift the first stitch over the second stitch and drop it off. Knit another stitch, and repeat. Continue until you have 1 stitch left. Cut the yarn, leaving a tail, and pull the tail through the remaining loop. Tighten gently. Weave in the yarn ends with a tapestry needle, and you're done.